Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying identity. Aadhaar and a mobile number are the anchors. Once done, upload a clear scan photo and one government ID. Make sure file types are PDF or JPG. You will select the correct beneficiary type and enter basic details. This avoids rejections. Follow on-screen field order and save progress frequently. It speeds validation. If you encounter mismatched names, correct them now using the portal's name change option before submitting. Now you complete the core form. This is where accuracy matters. You will enter family members, relationship codes, and any chronic conditions. Explain briefly in the medical history box so reviewers know severity. Once entries are made, trigger OTP to your Aadhaar-linked number and authenticate. This confirms identity and links records. After OTP, attach supporting PDFs and use the portal's preview to scan every field once submitted. Changes are hard to make, so be deliberate and thorough. Finish by submitting and immediately saving the application ID and PDF receipt. You will need these for status checks. After submission, monitor the portal daily. Verification can take several days, and you may be asked for additional documents. If the application completes, download your EHS card and print or save a copy. If it gets rejected, read the rejection note carefully, correct the exact issue, name mismatch, missing proof, or photo quality, and resubmit quickly to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.